to the society and government leaders. The diocese will speak out on moral, social, and ethical issues based on religious teachings and principles through. We look at these things through the following one: social justice and advocacy. This will promote the well-being of individuals, communities, and advocate for a more just and equitable society. The second one is prayer and spiritual guidance, with the obligation to offer spiritual guidance and prophetic insight to national and county government leaders. It is through prayers we invite divine blessings upon leaders, trusting the power of God to guide and inspire them for the greater good of all. The third one is the civic education and empowerment. These initiatives will raise awareness about social issues, civic responsibilities, and opportunities for positive change. The fourth one is dialogue and collaboration. Your Grace will be open to join in discussing social issues and endeavor to promote peace and reconciliation. And on this, Your Grace, allow me to address to myself, to the Gen Z generation. I have been followed all through, and I've heard your cry and concerns, and please forgive us where we have failed you as a church. To the Gen Z, as a young bishop, I can identify with your frustrations. There's a big dichotomy between what we confess sometimes as Christians, but also what we practice. I will endeavor to challenge the status with my individual life in both what I say and do, and invite you all to engage with me as we seek to find a lasting solution for our country. In conclusion, Your Grace and my dear brethren, with God's help and the unwavering support of our capable team of clergy, lay readers, and our committed Christians, these pillars are achievable. We will align them with the diocesan strategic plan, guiding us on our Christian journey. My deepest aspiration is to witness a community of Christians whose lives reflect the abundant blessings promised by Christ. I envision a diocese where every individual carries Christ in their heart, possesses a wealth of knowledge, enjoys sustenance on their table, and experiences prosperity in their pockets. This vision resonates with the profound message of John 10:10b. I came that they may have life, but also have it in abundance, where Christ declares his purpose to grant abundant life to all who follow him. I desire to see this abundance manifested in every aspect of our diocesan community, enriching the lives of all its members and radiating their transformative power of Christ's love to the world. Allow me, Your Grace, to reflect on the words of Rick Warren that says, the church grows warmer through fellowship, deeper through discipleship, and stronger through worship, broader through ministry, and larger through evangelism. Your Grace, as I conclude, I would do injustice to myself if I failed to recognize some of the people who have shaped my ministry life. Special thanks to my wife, Dorcas Jerry Gashadi, who has been a great pillar and support throughout my life, and especially during this journey. Your love, my dear, your support and prayers did not go to waste, and thank you very much, my dearest. To my beautiful and wonderful kids, Zawa and Senior Karanja, thank you. You are a gem and a gift in my life. May this ministry be fulfilling and a blessing to you as we see you grow, and I hope that you grow to believe that everything and anything is possible and achievable in God, and you too can soar to greater heights. Special thanks to my parents, the late Joshua Gashadi Cairo, and my mom, Marida Jerry Wagashadi, who is here today, though aged. I want to recognize my mom, who is here with me. She has turned 88, and she's here today to celebrate his son. Thank you, Maito. I am Your Excellency. I'm number 11 in a family of 12. So that woman is a strong woman, very strong. She ana watoto 12 na mtoto huyu wa 11 ndiye askofu wa Nyahururu Diocese. Mom, thank you so much. If you thought of stopping somewhere, na useme hutazaa mwingine, hii diocese haingepata askofu. And so, Mom, thank you. Thank you. I also want to say thank you to you once again. And I remember how you struggled to raise us as children. And last Sunday, His Excellency, the Deputy President, heard about that. I think they struggle so much to raise their families. And my mom, thank you. I want to thank you. Your mom ulikuwa na ng'ombe moja wetagwo Muheja. We had one cow called Muheja kwa sababu ya kuheja. Yeah, and at one point my mom sold that cow. My brother, we really cried. You know what our moms asked us? Munalia kwa sababu huyu ni mtu nimeuza. Si nimeuza ng'ombe mkae mzuri. You did not sell us, you sold that cow so that you may see us to where we are, mom. We cherish and value you. We maitoa goro, we love you, we will support you. And we pray that you may, you may grow older and get older with a lot of grace, and as your children, and especially myself as your bishop and son. May God bless you, mom. We wagoro maito Jerry. To my in-laws, Senior Chief Karanja and Mama Lydia Waboi Karaja, who are here also, we want to thank you so much for your gift to me of a great woman in the name Dorcas Jerry, who is now the Mothers Union President. I'm so grateful that now in my house, Your Excellency, I will be the bishop in my house, but you can imagine a house where your wife is the Mothers Union President. So it's a house that has a president and a bishop. That is a great thing. So I want to welcome you and say thank you for giving me my wife, Dorcas. She's a dear woman, a dear wife, and I treasure her. Together, we praise God. Mom, Nafafa, Wito, Senior Chief Karanja. To my godparents, Ashiaria kwa kiroho, Mr. Francis Maina Kariuki, na Margaret Wabui, who took me to church when I was very young, and you are here today. Mwegoko Mothe, my Sunday school teacher, Mr. Kariuki Wamwari, na ECK Holy Trinity, who laid a great foundation on me. Gayaro Muradhima. To the late Mr. and Mrs. Mwalimu Geoffrey Maiba, who saw the gift in me and pushed me and personally edited my application letter for consideration in diocesan chaplaincy for theological training. May you rest in peace, Mzee Maiba. ACK the Thai Church, a small little congregation that offered me a platform for Christian leadership and personal growth. Your support for me will never go unrewarded. Mwadhani ulia uradhimanaga asiari na kanitha wa Thai gaya muradhime mono. Special thanks to the late Mama Youth, ulia waturede nyina wake ana, who would have been here today, but her life was cut short 2 months ago by her gardener, who assaulted her, and she succumbed to the injuries. I remember you telling me, Gemino gauga idano siakahe, na neguria tumio the moda idie together maito hari ari ahurukite, aiganire tugege thisho idano siakahe, nyodo wanyina wake ana. Natuge irwa bere. Rwa keri. Rwa gatatu. Rwa kana. Rwa kuhiga. Maito nyina wake ana, huruka thayo. Rest in peace, nyina wake ana.